Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about Liberty Credit Union. They are offering $1,200 in credit card funding, and if you don't know what credit card funding is, it is extremely profitable. I'll show you how. This is a nationwide offer. So before we jump into too many details, I do have a quick disclaimer. So I am not a customer of Liberty. I am not affiliated by them. I am not endorsed by them. They don't have any sort of referral program. This is just my own personal review for informational purposes only. All the screenshots are from their website, and all of the information is current as the time of this recording. So, when was the last time your bank paid you for opening up and funding a checking or savings or CD account? You can make a lot of money doing this, and it is a really, really fun thing to do. How much money? Well, I have a $3 million challenge. I want to help at least 1,000 people make at least $3,000 from these videos in 2023. If you can appreciate profitable content like this on a consistent basis, do me a favor and hit this video with a huge thumbs up. So shout out to a friend of the channel, George. Appreciate you bringing this credit union to my attention. Really do appreciate it. Thank you, sir. All right. Another thing, upgrade. If you do not have a upgrade checking account, never had one, limited time offer. This offer is ending at the end of July. $150 bonus. Normally they either have like a $50 or $100 sign up bonus. Now it's their best offer ever, $150. This ends at the end of July, so definitely want to check that out. Link to this video up here. All right, so I've made many videos discussing how you can make money by opening up accounts by funding them with a credit card, and it goes through as a purchase. So you can either do what's called a mini loop, which is where you can sign up for a credit card where you spend a certain amount of money, typically between $6,000 to $10,000 or so, sometimes $4,000 for like a Chase Sapphire Preferred. So you spend between $4,000 to $10,000, and you can get a really huge bonus. Like literally, you can make like $1,000 in less than an hour's worth of work. So that's a mini loop, or infinite loop is where you sign up for longer term accounts like CDs and stuff like that. So you make money off of funding them with the credit card by getting the cash back plus the interest from the CDs. So, and then each time the CDs mature, you cash them out and you hit the credit card again and you keep looping. So the money you make from the cash back from the credit card plus from the interest from the CDs, they keep growing, and the loop keeps growing bigger and bigger. So there's that. I want this channel to have a comprehensive amount of information on banks and credit cards or credit unions you can have that do allow this, and it goes through as a purchase. The best credit cards out there by far, in my opinion, are the Chase Ink cards. Um, they have a new bonus offer. Used to be spend $15,000 and get $100 bonus for the Chase Ink Preferred. That has been lowered down to $8,000. So if you choose to get one of these or any of these other cards, the Chase Premier, which is my favorite card for doing this, anytime you spend $5,000 or more at once, which is really not hard to do, you get 2.5% cash back, unlimited. That is awesome. Spend $10,000 on this card to get $1,000 bonus cash back. Chase Ink Unlimited, which is a phenomenal card, has unlimited 1.5% cash back. Spend $6,000, get $750 back. The Chase Ink Cash Card, spend $6,000, get $750. So you can see that these are definitely profitable cards where you can fund checking accounts, savings accounts, CDs, goes through as a purchase, and then you can pull the money out, pay off the card, and snag the bonus. So only thing I ask is that if you're profiting from this profitable content, please use my links. One hand washes the other in this fun and profitable game. So, link to these cards. Definitely appreciate if you use to apply for these cards. Here's the link here. You can screenshot that, type it into a new tab. You can hit the QR code. You can hit the link in the description box down below, or you could always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. Definitely appreciate that. All right, so if you've never heard of Liberty Federal Credit Union, they are been in business for 87 years. They do have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, 2.29 out of 5 out of customer reviews. Typically, I wouldn't worry about this part here, just the A+ part. Typically, when you go to a bank, you would expect a high level of service, and when you get that, you typically don't go to the BBB and leave a good review. It's only on the rare occasion that you do have a problem that you submit a complaint. They've only had 8 complaints in the last 12 months, 16 complaints in the last 3 years. So A plus means that they definitely take care of their customers, which is A plus. All right, so link to this offer right here, libertyfcu.org. QR code for that, link in the description box down below, or you can always hit me up at churningadventures@gmail.com. So if you're not a member yet, here's what you need to get started. Hit apply for a new account. And how this is nationwide is basically donate $5 to the Matter Day Friends and Alumni Association in order to become eligible for membership. So, funding method. Your new account can be funded through a debit card or credit card. That's why we're here. You can fund your account, have it go through as a purchase, and you can snag your cash back and snag a sign up bonus. All right, so products that you're required to get. You do need to get a regular share, which is 0.01%. Every time I see the number, it makes me literally feel depressed. Then you can add additional products like a vertical checking account, which has an incredible 3.45% APY and bounces up to 20,000. That is pretty solid, but it's not the best one. The best one is M1 Finance. You can also hit certificate accounts, HSA, or savings accounts. So if you click on certificate accounts, well, here's the regular share. You do need to put in $5 for any credit union, which is how you become a part owner of the credit union. So then they email you a thing that's got a code. There's mine, which nothing you can really do with that since doesn't really matter. Okay, what else are we looking at? Vertical checking, 3.45% on up to 20,000, which is good, but not as good as the best one, as I mentioned. What else? Vertical checking. All right, so my selected product. So I just chose the regular share and the 9-month certificate. They have a really sweet spot, 5.35% for 9 months, which is really awesome. So you can hit that multiple times a year. If you do this on something like a Chase Inc. Premier, yeah, this is really, really nice. 5.35%. All right, so applying. So it's your standard fare with the credit union. Social security number, first name, last name, date of birth, mother's maiden name, address, contact info, driver's license, issue date, expiration date, U.S. Patriot information, your employment status. Are you currently in the process of applying for a mortgage loan with Liberty? What's your citizenship status? And then hit continue. And then here's the fun part here, your funding. So information, funding, and then approval. How much do you want to deposit? Regular share, $5 minimum. I just put $5 in there. 9-month certificate, $1,000 minimum. So I did $1,195. What you look for here is credit or debit card funding up to $1,200. So that is very solid right there, and that's why this video was made, because you can fund the account $1,200. So when you click that, put in your card number, expiration date, CVN number, bam, name on your card, should automatically populate. All right, so as I said, I got denied for 3 credit unions in a row, so I froze my checks account. I won't get approved for anything right now, so I'm just sitting in the garden on the sidelines. More of a tour guide right now, leading the way, showing which accounts you can open with a credit card. I have no idea if this is what's called one and done, or if it's available multiple times for credit card funding. So once you're in, I do have a goal for this channel to be eventually the most comprehensive and up-to-date source for information on credit unions and bank accounts to see which ones allow you to purchase accounts with credit cards and whether they're one time only or you can do it multiple times. So if you choose to open this up, please share your data points. Please email me your data points, churningadventures@gmail.com. Definitely do appreciate that. So savings accounts. So not everybody necessarily feels like going through the mini loops or the ultimate loop, or you have money in savings that you just want to keep there. So let's compare Liberty with my favorite one, which is M1 Finance. I am an affiliate with M1 Finance, by the way. I'm bragging on them. I'm mentioning them all the time because they do have the best thing out there. I just want to aware as many people as I can about that. So if you look at their savings accounts, it doesn't matter if it's a regular share, special share, Christmas club, vacation club, IRA. They have very depressing rates. 0.01 is literally the lowest amount that they could put and say that they're actually paying you something. All right, so $10,000 challenge. So not everybody has the full amount. You can get up to 5%, up to $100,000 with One Finance, but let's just say $10,000, which is a reasonable amount you want to keep in a rainy day fund. Why? Because it is going to rain. All right, so Liberty FCU versus One Finance $10 challenge or $10,000 challenge. Let's see who's going to be able to have the best savings account. So if you put in $10,000 and after 1 year of Liberty Federal Credit Union, literally you'll get paid $1. That's depressing. That's also the same rate that other banks like Chase and Bank of America and Wells Fargo have, which I've made videos about their savings accounts. It's absolutely depressing how little you get for putting in $10,000. The banks take your money and make a whole lot more money off of that. So for One Finance, you put your money into them, you get $500, literally 500 times more, which is phenomenal. So savings accounts are great to have. Why not get the best one out there? You get 5% on your savings up to $10,000. You need to have either some direct deposits going there or $5,000 or more. So you put in $5,000 or more, you get 5%, which is awesome. You can do auto save accounts as well, up to $100,000. So no monthly fees, no minimum balances, which is awesome. So as I said, I am an affiliate with One Finance. If you'd like to help support this channel and get the most amount of money on your savings account, hit up One Finance. Here's my link here, QR code, link in the description box down below, or you can always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. I made a full video about One Finance, and they're up to, if you put 100,000 in there, you'll get $5,000, which is phenomenal. Link to that video up here. All right, so bank account bonus central verdict, huge 5.35% CD, nationwide availability. Not sure if this is one-time funding or if it's available over and over. As far as savings accounts, do me a favor, join me at One Finance. All right, so I still have comments off for these videos, but if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, or criticisms, churningadventures@gmail.com, and I will get back to you rather quickly. Today's question. A lot of people have this misconception. They think that their good deeds can outweigh their bad deeds and make them okay with God. They can save their soul. They can get them into heaven. So what does Scripture say about that? One of my favorite scriptures, Ephesians 2:8. It says, "For by grace you have been saved through faith, and not of yourselves. It's the gift of God, not of works. Nothing you could work to do to get it, lest anyone should boast." Nobody can boast that they've done enough good deeds. For we are his workmanship, created in Christ Jesus for good works, which God prepared beforehand that we should walk in them. So does God want us to do good things? Yes. Does God want us to love him? Yes. And if you love God, you should be able to love others. That's how that works. And there's nothing we can do to earn our way to heaven. It's by grace through faith. It's a gift. You don't work for a gift. If you work for a gift, it's not a gift. It's a gift by grace through faith. Additional information about this is in right here at questions.org. Link to that in the description box down below as well. If you're still here with me, definitely appreciate it. Like the video if you appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis. Share this video with anybody who would be able to benefit from it, and subscribe with bell notifications so you can be amongst the first to learn about such profitable opportunities. And with that, I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.